V6 is the next generation of PLM products from Dassault Systems. Whereas today most PLM products like CATIA V5 work independently from FEA products and PLM systems, V6 brings all this together in one interconnected system with Enovia V6 at the heart. V6 is a broad range of products, but speaking as an engineer working mainly with CATIA, it unlocks a lot of the power that was actually there in V5. A good example of this is links management, where in V5 the engineer has to be quite careful to make sure things don't go awry, whereas with V6 the database takes care of this. The Enovia V6 backbone is also used to manage the life cycle of your engineering data, so people in a design team are confident they're not overwriting other people's data, plus they're working to the correct revision of whatever part, assembly or drawing they're using. And the benefits of this to a busy design office are clear. Well, you could think of the benefits starting with the engineer and working their way up through the engineering function to the rest of the business. Most companies today have silos of information, be that in the project management function, manufacturing engineering, for example. With V6, that information is consolidated in one place, the Enovia V6 backbone. This means you've got real-time engineering, the right information made available to the right people at the right time. This allows better decisions to be taken, and clearly the business will benefit. Well, a small business might use CATIA and the lifecycle management side of things, but also take advantage of the web-based architecture, which allows a team of people to work in different locations. So you may have one or two people working at home, somebody working in the office, and another team member at a customer's site. They could then adopt some of the other functions in Enovia when the time is right. A larger business might leap straight in with the project management, risks management, requirements management, document management, and essentially store all their company knowledge in the Enovia system. In that way, it becomes the framework upon which their engineering function is based. With the migration to V5, there could be obstacles. Training was required because the system was very different to its predecessor. Equally, data migration could be an issue. With V6, Dassault Systems have anticipated these problems. As a result, V6 shares a common data model with V5, which means that V5 data can be read into V6 with history and equally can be exported back to V5 for concurrent working, again with history. We already have several customers using V6. Indeed, we're using it in our own engineering function. But wider adoption is more likely when the OEMs, who are already using it on internal projects, roll it out to their supply chain. And we expect that to happen in the very near future.